Strength Group. Who I am? Covering an area of 400,000 square meters and has 1,000 employees, Zhejiang Strength Group is an integrated high-tech enterprise with research and development, design, production, sales and service. For over 50 years, we always insist on self-renewal and self-iteration. Innovation is in our blood. We have fully automatic processing equipment and sophisticated robotic processing equipment with top technology to ensure the stability and precision of product quality. We have a modern factory with 6S management and ISO quality management system certificates, which equipped with modern electric control equipment workshop, raw material workshop, and finished product assembly workshop. Strength Group, born to innovate.